Welcome guys. Today I want to talk to you about a interesting case that we had come in. One of our customers came in with water in his side box in the sleeper. So all of the floor was covered. Let me show you really quick. It was covered right here. You get the HVAC box right here. So all that you can see. So we started looking for many different things. We thought fridge, HVAC. We checked the drain tube. That was the first thing we thought was causing it. Turned out the tube was fine, and I'm like, there's definitely the fridge. We eliminated that in the middle of the truck would have been also the floor would have been also wet. So what we found is somebody at a previous shop installed a light right here. As you can see, there's a hole, and all that rain was coming down and going into the cap. So we looked at all different, because on older models, this is a newer Volvo, but on some of the you might have some leakage here, or if it was hit, you could have a crack up in the top roof. But this one was just obviously somebody didn't seal it, or they did seal it and it didn't obviously do the job. So simple, small little hole like that can cause a lot of issues. So when you install any accessories, because obviously they wanted to have more light to hook up to the trailer, just make sure you're looking at plugging all those, sealing it, and also in buying a truck, it's also good to look at the carpet underneath. This is going to dry pretty quickly, and there's not going to be any issue. The problem is when you look for a truck, just look for any mold. Try to see if you can get into behind the interior panels to see what's happening, because we opened it on the inside, looked on the side walls, took it out, and the back walls you couldn't see anything. But that little hole is so low on the back wall that you couldn't see it. None of the panels and the insulation on the back was soaking it, so it wasn't wet. It was just making its way down to the floor and pushing it this way. So I just wanted to share it with you, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll talk to you soon.